Embroidering some tiny crabs for cancer season. I just got back from my health food store, my local co-op, and let me show you what I got. Also, I made this tote bag out of repurposed tablecloth material that I got from the resource exchange. Tonight, we're going to a kind of like barbecue bonfire. Our friends are camping in the Pine Barrens in New Jersey. Lewis and I are gonna meet up tonight over there for dinner. My sister's gonna come and possibly a couple other friends, but I'm not sure. So I wanted to get some ingredients to make a salad. I got a recipe from Minimalist Baker for like a Greek salad, a Greek chickpea salad. And then I also got some vegan chocolate for s'mores. And I got some other stuff too. So I got some candlesticks. Recently, I thrifted these candle holders. And I wanted to get some candles for the summer solstice, and I was too late because it was basically a heat wave, so I didn't want to go anywhere to get candlesticks. It felt a bit excessive, but I know the grocery store I go to has these really nice ones, so I thought I would get some. I wanted yellow, but they really only had the natural beeswax color, which would have been cute, but the orange really caught my eye. Mint for the salad, Tony's chocolate. This is a dark chocolate almond sea salt. This was the only vegan option from this brand, which I've never actually tried. I think they are known for being extremely ethical with their labor chain, so that's cool. This might be a weird choice for s'mores because it's like really thick, plus there's almonds in it, but even if this doesn't work for the s'mores, I also got this one. Magic salted dark chocolate. Wait, I'm pretty sure this is, I thought this was Dr. Bronner's. This is vegan as well, and it's kind of more like a plain dark chocolate. I got my favorite cashew cheese. This is just like a spread for crackers and stuff. It's really delicious. I would like to buy this every week, but it's pretty expensive. Vegan feta for the salad. It's not my absolute favorite. I'm going to crumble it instead of chunks because sometimes it's a bit too much for me. It is kind of essential for a Greek salad. Grape tomatoes. Backup graham crackers. Not technically vegan because they have honey, but I'm okay with honey. Vegan mayo. Usually I make my own mayo, but it's kind of a lot of work. Even though it's easy and it's just like oil whipped into soy milk with spices and stuff, sometimes it's nice to just take the shortcut. And I made pasta last night with pesto and different veggies, and I feel like it'd make a really good creamy pasta salad, so I might want to do that for lunch and add a tiny bit of this in it. For the salad, I got a red onion, got some lemons. This is for the dressing of the salad, and I was also thinking I might make turmeric lemonades to bring to the dinner tonight in the woods. There's another one. Some just egg because it was on sale. It's the best. Also, I don't buy this often because it's expensive. If it's on sale, I'll grab it. Probably make a quiche this week. A English cucumber also for the salad. quality is good. The color may be a little dark. True.
I figured if we picked a So that's the one that he put it on the all trails. I was like, if you're allergic to wasp.
The Jersey Devil as a cryptid, it's like a iron, right?
The skillet, yeah.
Dog.
Oh yeah. Oh my god.
Well, we could actually.
Wait, I'm gonna open it with my Excalibur.
I was gonna say we just put the cans on the grate.
Maybe Lewis?
Yeah.
No, I can do it. We've done that before. You guys eat chili? I literally said that.
Concept with s'mores.
Oh.
I do think the chocolate I picked was a bit too chunky.
Oh no.
Or if you could like shuttle.
Wow.
Not enough fabric, sadly. So sleepy. How do you embroider a seagull without it looking insane? Maybe we'll see some frogs. This was a fun weekend. We're gonna go meet Lewis's sister Audrey and her boyfriend. They're gonna show us their new apartment. I'm finishing up this little crab. What else? I might sew, I'm not sure. I feel pretty rejuvenated from the social stuff, especially meeting up with our friends Delphina, Shannon, and my sister out in the Pine Barrens. That was really nice. And now Lewis and I want to plan a camping trip to do this summer, maybe in the Poconos or in upstate New York. We'll see. This is a little crab piece I'm working on. It's gonna be a beaded crab with some trinkets. I have a feeling by the end of the day we're both going to be super tired, me and Lewis. Yeah, but I hope you like this vlog. I look forward to the next one.